Hello, hi my favorite kids, how are you? Welcome to Friday's video classes. Welcome to EVS period. I am your EVS teacher. My name is Nisi. Today is 16th October 2020. So I hope you all are doing well. As you know, we have already completed our chapter, the points of it, properties, uses, टाइप्स ऑफ एयर, ये सब हमने सीख लिया है. वी हैव ऑल्सो कंप्लीटेड अवर टेक्सचुअल एक्सरसाइजेस, वर्कशीट इंक्लूडेड. यू हैड 2 or 3 एक्सरसाइजेस वर्कशीट में करने के लिए होमवर्क में. बाकी तो पूरा आपको इस वीडियो में ही आपको सभी में करवा के दिया है. एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड अवर 5 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन जो होते टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर 116 पे, ये वाले we've already completed that. So today we are going to complete our last 4th and the final exercise. हमारा long question answers आज हम करेंगे and that is it. Our chapter will be over. There are no new more chapters from next Wednesday को. If we are going to send any new videos, so we will be only doing a revision of chapter number 11, chapter number 12 and chapter number 9 के. I'll be asking few questions. I will be answering them also. Okay. So I'm going to explain you about the process in the next Wednesday के video में. I'll be explaining you how we are going to interact. Okay. So today's video is going to be short because I'm just going to be writing long question answers. 4 है तो हम उसके बारे में ही लिखेंगे. And I hope कि this chapter was not so much lengthy. हमारे previous our previous chapter number 11 का keeping safe and healthy, it was very lengthy and very long, right? I mean, chapter was also long. We had so many points to remember, and it's not about remembering, right? You also should be able to write them, and there were many new words. So I want to explain one thing. I'm not going to ask you new words. न्यू वर्ड्स के मीनिंग मैं नहीं पूछने वाली हूँ. नॉट इन ओरल और नॉट इन रिटन, नथिंग लाइक दैट. यू जस्ट हैव टू राइट इट वंस so that you are familiar with the sounds and you are familiar with the words, and if you can remember the meaning, that is very good. पर आपको सिर्फ एक बार लिखने के, it is not about, you know, I'm not going to ask you about it, so don't be worried. आप उसके meanings you have to write and also learn the short question answer and the long question answers. वो आपको लिखने का है. So I always try to write it down in the simplest form, in the shortest way, so that I can give you the answer and you may able to read them, understand them, and also learn them by heart. And I also explain you in the simplest form because see, I don't want to waste so much of time इन एवरी वीडियो के. एक वीडियो में एक एक्सरसाइज करें तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दूसरा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम, राइट? वी जस्ट गेट 3 days. हमको सिर्फ 3 दिन ही मिलते एक वीक में एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो 20 to 30 minutes. वाइल एज वेन वी आर इन स्कूल वी गेट 45 hours, राइट? हमको 1 घंटा है तो 45 minutes मिलता है और 5 दिन मिलता है सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट करवाने के लिए. So as we are not at home, so we have to rush few things and write it down. So that's why I'm not going to take chapter number 13 this time. Vacation के बाद, if they say us, if they tell us from our school faculty, if they tell us to complete our course, then we'll be completing chapter number 13 from the next week. But most probably I will not be doing that. We will be only discussing revision. I will be giving you short question answers, exercise, something to do regarding these 3 chapters. So that is it for today. This is only for the introduction. Now we are going to skip this part and move on to our long question answers. Let's go. So everyone please take out the page number 116. ये 116 निकालो and we are going to write long question answers. Question number 1 क्या है? What happens when we blow air into a balloon? जब balloon के अंदर हवा डालते हैं तो क्या होता है? तो it takes up space, right? Air fills up space and gives shapes to things, means it grows in size. So please take out a new page, a fresh page. ये question number 5 जब तक किया, please write it down from a new page. fresh page में Write today's date 16/10/2020. Classwork and the heading long answer questions. Long answer questions. Question number 1 क्या है? What happens? WHAT what? HAPPENS what happens? WNEN when? BLOW when we blow. AIR air into a BALLOON what happens when we blow air into a balloon? Answer number 1. तो क्या लिखेंगे? air 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 FILS fills 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 up SPACE air fills up space and THE the and the balloon BALLOON and the balloon CHANGES changes ITS its SHAPE shape. Air fills up space and the balloon changes its shape means air जो खाली जगह होता है वो भर जाता है उसमें और फिर बलून अपना शेप चेंज कर लेता है. Now question number 2. Write 3 properties of air. Air के 3 गुण लिखना है. So WRITE write. THREE 3. PROPER TIES write 3 properties of air means air के 3 properties लिखने हैं. Number 1 property क्या है air का? Air has no color, taste or smell. AIR air. HS has no color, TASTE taste or SMELL smell. Air has no taste or smell. Number 2. Air fills up space and gives shapes to things. AIR air FILLS fills up SPACE air fills up space and GIVES gives SHAPES and gives shapes. Sorry, not shapes, only shape. And shape gives shape. TO2 THINGS things. Right? And the third point क्या है? Air has क्या है air के पास? Air has weight. So AIR air. HAS has WEIGHT air has weight. ये 2 क्वेश्चन है. Question number 3. Write 3 uses of air. Means air के 3 uses. So question number 3. Write WRTE write THREE 3 USES uses. Write 3 uses of AIR air. Air के 3 uses लिखने का है. Answer number 3 क्या है? The most important one. We need AIR air TO2 BREATHE. We need air to breathe. It is the most important one, right? Then air helps keep a fire burning. AIR, air helps. HELPS, helps. KEEP, air helps keep. FIRE, fire. BURNING, air helps the fire burning. And the last one, what is the last one? Air helps to play musical instruments. AIR, air. HELPS, sorry, air helps to PLAY, play musical. MUSICAL, musical. INSTRUMENT, air helps to play musical instrument. So these are the 3 uses of air. आपको वो भी कुछ और लिखना तो वो भी यूज कर सकते हो. That air gives shapes to things and fills up space, ये भी आप लिख सकते हो. Okay, but we just have to write these. We just have to write 3. So I've written these 3. And the last question, what is wind? How is it useful? विंड क्या है और हमें कैसे हेल्प करता है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What is wind? What is wind? Moving air is called wind. What is WIND? Wind? Question mark. HOW, how? IS, is. IT, it. USE, use. FUL, full. How is it useful? Last answer of today. How is it useful? What is wind? Moving air is called wind. MON, and moving, ARIR. Moving air is CALLED, is called wind. Please underline the word moving air. Moving air means चलती हवा. Moving air is called wind. Second question क्या? There are 2 questions. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. Second question, how is it useful? How is it useful? It helps to dry clothes. It helps to move a sailboat. It helps to fly a kite. तो हम ये लिखेंगे, it helps to move. It helps to move. It helps to move a SAIL, sailboat, and TO2 FLY, to fly a KITE. Underline, move a sailboat and to fly a kite. So that is it for today. ये 4 क्वेश्चंस आपको लिखने का है. यू ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू स्पीक, ये आपको बोलना तो आता ही है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज ट्राई प्रैक्टिसिंग, लर्न देम एंड ट्राई टू राइट देम इन योर रफ नोटबुक. रफ नोटबुक में you can try to write it down and check the spelling mistakes or any new words that you haven't written. Okay, so this is your today's work, my dear kids. That is it for today. आज के लिए से बस इतना ही है. Our long question answers, 4 question answers, I will be sending you PDF also. If you are not able to understand the video, if you are not able to see it or can't understand my handwriting, I will be sending you a PDF, pictures of these 4 question answers. So that is it for today. Our chapter is over. We have completed the reading part, the textual exercises, short question and long question answers. We have completed the worksheet. Everything is sorted. So we are not going to start any new chapter. If I am said to start, then I will be starting. If not, I hope not. So this इतना ही होने वाला है. So next Wednesday, I think, if there are any, अगर होगा, I am not sure कि सबमिशन होने वाला है उस टाइम पे या तो वीडियो होगा. But if there is any video, then I'll be just going through the previous stuff, previous chapter के question answers. So that is it for today. I'll meet you next week. Bye.